Have you ever stood up after a long sewing session and felt it in your neck, shoulders, or lower back? The right chair can make a huge difference, but only if it's adjusted properly. Today, I'm going to show you how to customize the Horn of America Sew Cozy chair for the way you sew. First, seat height. Use the height adjustment lever to raise or lower the chair until your feet rest comfortably on the floor and your shoulders feel relaxed while sewing. Next is seat depth. Slide the seat forward or backward until you have a small gap between the front edge of the seat and the back of your knees by using the lever on the left-hand side of the seat. This simple adjustment can make a big difference during long sewing sessions. Now let's adjust the backrest. Using your right hand, lift the backrest lever while supporting the backrest with both hands. Raise or lower it until it comfortably supports the natural curve of your lower back. Because we're all built differently, this adjustment helps customize the chair to fit your body. You can also adjust the backrest angle using the lever beneath the seat. Fine-tune the angle until you feel properly supported in your sewing position. The lock tilt lever allows you to lock the chair in place or pull the lever up to unlock it for a natural rocking motion. While in rocking mode, use the seat tilt adjustment to customize the seat angle. Turn the knob forward for a slight forward tilt or backward for a more reclined position. You can also adjust the rocking tension using the tension knob under the seat. This controls how easily the chair moves and allows you to customize the resistance based on your body weight and personal preference. All of these adjustments are the same on both the standard and the drafting chair. The only additional adjustment on the drafting chair is the foot ring. Simply twist it to loosen it and move it to your desired position and then tighten it back into place. What I love is that every adjustment serves a purpose. A properly fitted chair can improve comfort, encourage better posture, and make long days in the sewing room much more enjoyable.